Imagine a planet where it rains molten glass sideways, or a world so rich in carbon it might literally be made of diamond. Today, you're about to journey through the weirdest and most extreme planets ever discovered, far beyond our solar system. These are real worlds, found by real telescopes, and they will blow your mind. Buckle up. Let's dive into the top 10 strangest exoplanets in the universe. Discovered in 2015 by NASA's Kepler Space Telescope, Kepler 438b lies about 470 light-years from Earth. It's slightly larger than our planet and orbits in what scientists call the habitable zone, the sweet spot where temperatures might allow liquid water to exist. But appearances can be deceiving. The planet's parent star is known for frequent, powerful solar flares, which likely bombard the planet and strip away its atmosphere. So while Kepler 438b may look like an Earth twin from afar, up close, it's a brutal, exposed rock, bathed in radiation. HD 189733b is located 63 light-years away and was first identified in 2005 using the Elodie spectrograph in France. Later observations by the Hubble Space Telescope revealed its jaw-dropping secret. The planet is a deep cobalt blue. But unlike Earth's oceans, this color comes from silicate particles in the atmosphere that scatter blue light. Even more bizarre, winds on this gas giant blow at speeds of up to 8,700 kilometers per hour, and it likely rains molten glass, sideways, due to the intense atmospheric pressure and temperatures that exceed 1,000 degrees Celsius. First observed in 2008 by the Super WASP Wide-Angle Search for Planets project, WASP-12b sits roughly 1,400 light-years from Earth. It's a gas giant so close to its star that it completes an orbit in just over one Earth day. The star's gravity is literally pulling the planet apart, stretching it into an egg-like shape. With a temperature of over 2,500 degrees Celsius, the atmosphere is being devoured, inch by inch, by the star. Scientists believe this planet might be completely consumed in the next 10 million years. It's a slow-motion cosmic death spiral. Discovered in 2006 by the Transatlantic Exoplanet Survey using telescopes in Arizona and the Canary Islands, TRES-2b is about 750 light-years away. It's often called the darkest planet ever found. This gas giant reflects less than 1% of the light it receives, making it blacker than coal. The planet's temperature reaches nearly 1,100 degrees Celsius, but no one fully understands why it's so dark. Some theories suggest a light-absorbing chemical in the atmosphere, but the truth remains a mystery, cloaked in darkness. Kelt 9b, found in 2016 by the Kilodegree Extremely Little Telescope, Kelt, is located about 670 light-years from Earth. It holds the title of the hottest planet ever discovered, with daytime temperatures soaring beyond 4,300 C, hotter than some stars. This ultra-hot Jupiter is being blasted by extreme ultraviolet radiation, causing its atmosphere to puff out like a balloon. Molecules can't even stay intact on this world. They're torn apart by the sheer heat. It's less of a planet and more of a flaming, gaseous inferno racing around its star every 1.5 days. Known informally as the Methuselah planet, PSR B1620-26 was discovered in 2003 using data from the Hubble Space Telescope. What makes this world so fascinating isn't its appearance, it's its age, estimated to be over 12.7 billion years old. It's the oldest known exoplanet in the universe. This gas giant orbits a binary system consisting of a white dwarf and a pulsar, located around 12,400 light-years away in the constellation Scorpius. Its ancient nature suggests planets may have formed much earlier in the universe than we previously thought, perhaps even when galaxies were still young. First identified in 2009 by the Me-Earth project using telescopes in Arizona, GJ1214b lies just 48 light-years from Earth, practically a neighbor in cosmic terms. What makes this planet extraordinary is its suspected composition. Scientists believe it's a water world, possibly with a thick, steamy atmosphere rich in water vapor. The entire planet may be covered by a global ocean, tens of kilometers deep, but it's no tropical paradise. The surface pressure and temperature would likely crush and boil anything from Earth. It's a world caught between water and fire. Discovered in 2004 via radial velocity measurements from observatories in California and France, 55 Cancri E is about 41 light-years away. At first glance, it seemed like a typical super-Earth. But as data poured in, scientists noticed something astonishing. The planet might be made largely of carbon, and under extreme pressure, that carbon could exist as crystalline diamond, with surface temperatures reaching 2,400 degrees Celsius and a toxic atmosphere full of hydrogen cyanide. It's hardly a jewel you'd want to touch. Still, it's often nicknamed the Diamond Planet, a dazzling, deadly gem drifting in space. This planet, discovered in 2004 by the Lick Observatory in California, is located about 33 light-years from Earth. Gliese 436b is a Neptune-sized exoplanet with one of the strangest characteristics ever recorded. It's covered in hot ice. The intense gravity compresses water vapor into a solid form despite surface temperatures of around 700 degrees Celsius. The ice remains locked in place even as it burns. It's a paradoxical world, one where ice is on fire, and the laws of physics seem to twist in the heat of the cosmos. In 2013, astronomers using the Magellan telescopes in Chile discovered HD 10696b, a rogue-like planet sitting a staggering 336 light-years from Earth. But what truly sets this planet apart is its orbit. Unlike any planet in our solar system, HD 10696b orbits its star from an unfathomable distance, over 650 times farther than Earth orbits the Sun. It takes more than 15,000 Earth years to complete just one orbit. Some scientists speculate it may have been ejected by its original star system and then captured again, a wandering world with a chaotic past. Our universe is weirder than science fiction. From boiling oceans to raining glass, from ancient giants to frozen fire, these planets remind us just how little we really know. If you enjoyed this cosmic journey, don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an upload. And let us know in the comments, which of these planets blew your mind the most, and would you dare visit one of them if you could? Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious.